Hey everyone, I'm so pleased that you guys made my channel reach 1000 subscribers on New Year Eve of 2022. I would like to thank every single one of you for your support. And for the ones who are waiting, this is the same 1000 subscriber special video that I was talking earlier. You might be expecting a video where I cut a cake with my friends, but no, this one is a bit different. A short story to share with you. Outside my college compound, there were these playful puppies living in the bushes, and they would sometime come inside our college and play with us. We fed them biscuits sometimes, and yeah, they are adorable. It is winter going right now, and just a day after recording this video, it rained here, and the temperature fell really low, like it went below 3 degrees Celsius. And I really wanted to do something for them because they were living in the bushes and they would get wet when it rains. So what I did was I made them this small house which I think would prevent them from getting wet again when it rains. So please subscribe to keep these videos coming. So I know literally no one is interested to watch how I made this, but I'm going to show you anyways. So bear with me till the end of this video and endure my boring talks. So firstly, I calculated the rough dimensions for the house, then began marking it on the plywood. After that, with the help of my angle grinder, I cut out the pieces. And since I am not a carpenter by any means, it was obvious that my cuts were not straight, so I had to sand them down until they were straight. And I did this to every single piece I cut. And again, because of my superior mathematical skills, I messed up with the dimensions and had to redo the cutting work, wasting the precious wood on the way. I remember my Patreon, Mr.Benn Rees, suggesting me to measure twice before cutting once. Well said, Mr. Ben. After that was done, I nailed small pieces to the edges of the plywood because the plywood was too slim like me for the nail to work properly. And just to mention, it was done at 10 PM at night, and the sleep of me along with my neighbors was sacrificed, so please like this video for that. After this, I did the usual sanding, and then it was just hammering the nails and the nails and the nails and the nails and billions and billions and billions. Some wood glue again, and then nails and the nails and the nails. And after the Sukuteman punch, the door was made. So easy, isn't it? Then after some sanding, the door was ready. I quickly planned and added the roof to it. After that, for the food holder, I again planned out the shapes and cut the plywood accordingly. And with the help of some glue, nails and screws, it was done too. And this is what it looks like after attaching that foot piece. And as a last step, I added the door with the hinges. Just the 4 screws and the job is done. I also added that cloth to the door so the dogs can bite and drag it to close the door if they need to. I don't know whether they will even use it, but I felt like doing this. I gave them a coat of paint to provide that basic weather resistance, and this is what it looks like after all those efforts. After all of this, I tried putting those dogs to them, but they got a little bit scared and ran away. Hope they will adapt soon. So my last question to you is, wasn't this a better idea of celebration than just cutting the cake with the friends? Let me know in the comments. See you on my next video. Bye bye.